just about to depart is 801 217 on an LNER AZUMA service to Edinburgh, calling at Durham, Newcastle, ALMOUth and Edinburgh. Just wait, it's waiting for the buzzer. Guard's buzzer. Yeah. Got it. And away she goes. Thank you all very much for joining us here at Darlington. I hope you enjoyed the construction updates. And until next time, guys, from me, Lewis the Trail Spotter King, the King is here. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye for now.